Before you start your day, before the stress, before the noise, pause for a moment, take a deep breath, and let this prayer reset your heart, your mind, and your spirit. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Lord, you are my shepherd today. I am not walking this day alone. I declare that I lack nothing, not peace, not strength, not direction, not provision. Even when my emotions say otherwise, I choose to trust that you are guiding me. Remove every feeling of fear, worry, and insufficiency. I step into this day confident that you are already ahead of me. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. Father, quiet my mind, calm my thoughts, slow my racing heart. Where my soul feels tired, restore me. Where my emotions feel heavy, refresh me. Lead me away from chaos and into peace today. Help me rest, not just physically, but spiritually. I receive your peace now. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. God, restore everything stress has drained from me. Restore my joy. Restore my confidence. Restore my hope. If I've made mistakes, redirect me. If I feel lost, guide me. Order my steps today so my life reflects your goodness. Let my decisions honor you. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. Lord, even if today is difficult, even if I walk through uncertainty or bad news, I choose not to fear. You are with me. Your presence surrounds me. Your protection covers me. I am not stuck in the valley. I am passing through it. Fear has no authority over me today. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Correct me when I need direction. Protect me when danger is unseen. Comfort me when emotions overwhelm me. I trust your discipline. I trust your guidance. I trust your love. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. God, even where opposition exists, you are blessing me. Even where doubt surrounds me, you are making a way. I will not fight battles you've already won. I sit at the table of peace, favor, and victory. My confidence is not in people, but in you. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Anoint me for today's assignments. Empower me for today's responsibilities. Let my cup overflow with joy, patience, wisdom, and love. I refuse negativity. I walk in abundance of spirit. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. Goodness will follow me today. Mercy will meet me in every moment. I am not chasing blessings. They are following me. No matter what happens today, I am covered by your grace. And I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Lord, I commit this day into your hands. I walk forward in faith, peace, and confidence. My mood is lifted. My heart is steady. My spirit is aligned. Amen.